Good morning. You can see it's only 5 to 8 and I'm up back in the house for about 10 minutes. One little difference, look how I walked the dog today. It took me 5 minutes to put on the same time it did to grab the grunge shorts or sweatpants and dirty t-shirt. Everything I'm wearing is clean. And my sneakers that I didn't really want to tie every day, but you know what? Don't I look pulled together? One day, what a difference it makes. I colored my hair, I trimmed it, I changed what I walked the dog in. One day. So let's see what else we could do. Let's see if we have more cash clothes. I'm going out today. Maybe we could pick a lunch outfit. I'm going out, something casual. It's on the beach. I think Benny's on the beach. So let's see. Okay, I've been watching a few tips and tricks and we're gonna do more about it. But you saw when I walked in from the dog, now what? Same clothes, same me. Doesn't this look frumpier, right? Like not as pulled together, not sharp, not confident. One little simple thing, tuck in the shirt. The pants have pockets. You can tuck it all the way, halfway if you think you're real cool and have attitude, like me. Make sure you put the bow, because I didn't have it when I went out. Now look at the difference. Okay? It's just, you change one little thing. You tuck the shirt in, put your hands in your pocket if you're standing still, or however you like to walk. I don't know, for me, this is more, I like to put my hands in when I'm wearing an outfit like this, or jeans, or I'm standing somewhere. I wouldn't be like this. This would make me utilize the pockets. You don't think so, they're little things, but watch yourself. Pay attention to how you wear pants or pockets in general. Okay, just that one thing once more. Let's show you. These are long t-shirts, and I'm gonna go through the whole thing because I'm learning how to properly wear a t-shirt, whether it be with athletic pants or jeans or anything. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, here's another idea to walk the dog and just look pulled together. I am, after all, in Florida. The weather's starting to get warm here. Today it's 75 by 8:15 in the morning. That's like exciting for us. And it's March 3rd or 4th. It's March 4th. We're starting to see a little bit of warmth. It should be over in the 80s today, but we'll see. Anyways, back to the fashion and walking the dog and not looking like I did just a day ago. I can add 2 days. I think it was 2 days ago. And I'm going to keep it easy. We can all do this. You're going to help me rearrange my outfit for easy grab and go to walk the dog. That's why I was going into the dirty clothes basket, because it was easy. It was accessible. It was there. I thought 5 minutes to tie on a sneaker was too much effort. Oh, poor me. But not anymore, because now I see how I look. And one day I walked into the elevator and there was a lot of people in there that's usually never crowded. I looked my absolute worst. All I could do was put my head down and cringe. I cringed. Okay, so let's go see if we can get one more, and then we'll at least have 3 walk the dog, grab and go. Okay, here's another simple one. Black khaki shorts. Had these for years in my closet. Why am I not wearing them? Again, not all t-shirts are the same. We're going to do a whole segment on that. I had one on just now that was much thinner, much more revealing. We don't need to do that in the morning. Okay, and remember the tuck. It will always look cool, Anita, suave. That's it. Whatever name, whatever word you want to call it, it's a difference. See? Much nicer. If you wanted to put a belt, you could put a belt. Now I know why I was so sad when I couldn't tuck in for about a decade. Because I was wearing everything like this, and I was feeling like this. So now, this is inspiration for me and anybody else out here who feels like this. All right, so we went through 3 outfits. You're looking at the clock. I put them all on within 10 minutes. Now I know, yes, my closet does look like a hurricane hit it because I did it so fast. To prove to myself and to anyone who thinks you can't do it, you can do it. I'm resetting, I'm changing. I'm not gonna walk the dog looking like an old bag lady anymore. You know, right? You're looking at me and say, yeah, Mom, I'm proud of you, Mom. Come in here. Come in the frame so they see you. That's Millie Bean. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop there for today because we don't want to overdo it. You get the gist of it. Next, I think when I have a moment, we're going out today. I'll maybe show my outfit. I don't think I will. I don't know. But the next thing we're going to do is we're going to organize my closet so we have everything organized. Grab and go dog walking. my Cash jeans, my dressier jeans, my white jeans. We're gonna do it all together and we're gonna organize. I find even in the kitchen, the more organized I am, the better I cook. The more organized I am in the closet, I feel the better pulled together and dressed I'll be. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video when we organize.